Happy morning, all of you. My name is Mr. Khadangle Pankaj. Today I am here with new chapter. Our new chapter's name is Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. This one is our third chapter. That means before we have completed two chapters. First chapter was Maharashtra before Shivaji. Second chapter was work of saints, and now this one is third chapter. Okay, so all will open your textbooks, page number 8. All I open it, you can see page number. Okay, see upside what is given. Chapter number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Page number 8. Okay, so we will now read it. While reading, what we have to do? We have to put our index finger on line. So we will get hard words and their pronunciations clearly. Okay. So put your index finger there. Which one is your index finger? This one. Okay. So put your index finger there. See, first point is there. Period of unrest. As the saints preach devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. This was a period of great unrest. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war with each other. They made use of armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. Okay, so first we will see this first point. You can read it in your mind within 2 minutes. Come on. Read it and find out hard words. Which are hard words? Underline them. So I will tell you their meanings. Our first point is period of unrest. Now see, what is here? Period of unrest. Do you know rest? Rest, opposite word is unrest. So unrest means in this time nothing was stable. Okay, all things were not stable at this time. So unrest, period of unrest. See what is given. As we have learned in last chapter, what? As the saints preach devotion to God. Who can tell me meaning of preach? I have told you in last chapter. Preach. See. Preach means to give a talk. Do you remember? Preach means to give a talk. So see what is told. As the saints preach devotion to God. What saints taught to these people? That devotion to God. The brave Maratha Sardar started a tradition of bravery. And so, our great Maratha Sardars, they started tradition of bravery. Do you know brave? Yes. So, bravery. This was a period of great unrest. And this time was of great unrest. Two sultans were there. I told you which were those two sultans. See, sultans. Which two sultans were there at that time? Who can tell me? I told you they have divided our Maharashtra among themselves. Two were those. Which were those? First one is Adil Shah. And second one is Nizam Shah. Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. These two sultans were there at that time. We have learned in last chapter. So, Adil Shah belongs to Bijapur. Very good. Adil Shah belongs to Bijapur. What I have told you, A for Adil Shah and B for Bijapur. Adil Shah, Bijapur. And Nizam Shah then What is remain? Ahmednagar. Very good. Ahmednagar. See, these two sultans were there, Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Adil Shah belongs to Bijapur and Nizam Shah belongs to Ahmednagar. Okay, so these two sultans continuously they were fighting among themselves, and then because of all these things people were not happy. See what is told. This was a great period of unrest. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war. War means fighting. War means fight. They were continuously fighting. They made use of armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. And these two people, these two sultans, what they have used? Maratha Sardars. They have used armies of Maratha Sardar for their war. Okay, what they have done? They have used armies of Maratha Sardar. See. Now next point. What is next point? Do you understand this much? Preach means to give a talk. War means fight. Sultans were there, two sultans, Adil Shah, Nizam Shah. Adil Shah belongs to Bijapur and Nizam Shah belongs to Ahmednagar. These two Sardars, they were fighting among themselves, and for this fighting purpose, which power they have used? Maratha Sardars. They have used Maratha Sardars or Maratha Sardars army. Okay, see our next point now. This diagram you have to keep in mind. Okay, now our next point. Second point is the brave Maratha Sardars. Now we have to learn about Maratha Sardars. The brave Maratha Sardars. The brave Maratha Sardars. See. First I will read it. Put your index finger again. This paragraph we are going to read it. Okay, see. The brave Maratha Sardars. The Marathas were both brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. They were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield. The brave Maratha soldier, with a spear in hand and a sword at the side, would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, made him a Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. Next paragraph. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. The more famous among them were the Jadavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhul, Mores of Javdi, Bhosles of Verud. The Sindhkhed Jadavs were descendants of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Okay, so see, the brave Maratha Sardars. Do you know brave means courageous, fearless? Brave means courageous or fearless. Okay, see. What given? The Marathas were both brave and tough. They were brave and they were tough. Means they were not, they don't have any type of fear. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. See, fearless. Fearless means what? Courageous. How I told you. Fearless means courageous. And loyal means Loyal. Loyal. Loyal means faithful. After the letter we are writing at the downside faithful. Okay, so faithful means loyal, faithful. See, these Maratha Sardars were brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their master. Means whatever their master will tell him, that they were following particularly. Okay, as our teacher tells you in school. So as per that you are doing work, correct? So means you are loyal to your teacher. Or your father told you some work at home. Now you are at home. So if your father have told you some work, you are doing that work properly. Why? Because you are loyal to your father. Okay. So like this, fearless and loyal. Who were fearless and loyal? Maratha Sardars. Then what is given? They were very proud of their achievements. Who? Maratha Sardars. They were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield. Battlefield means where they were fighting. That place is called battlefield. Okay. So they were very proud on their achievements which they were getting on battlefield. The brave Maratha soldiers with a spear in hand and sword at the side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. See, spear. The brave Maratha soldiers with a spear. Do you know spear means? See, S-P-E-A-R, spear. Spear means, who knows? See, I'll show you in diagram like this. Then I'll tell you meaning. See, like this. You have seen? Like this diagram. This one is called spear. So I'll tell you now meaning. Spear means dart. D-A-R-T. Dart. Okay. Those soldiers are there in King's Palace. They used to hold these spears. You have seen? In forest also, people used to this spear to kill animals. Okay. So this is called spear. Its meaning is dart. Okay. Both are difficult words, but you have to keep in mind spear or dart. Here in bracket will give diagram also, so you will get it, understand. Okay. Spear. In hand and a sword at the side. Sword means S-W-O-R-D, sword. What will be their sword means? See, I'll show you. Like this. This one is called sword. Okay, and its simple word is there, brand. B-R-A-N-D, brand. Here also I'll give you picture. Okay, this one is called sword. So what Maratha Sardars used to hold? In one hand, what? Spear, and in another hand, sword. Okay. See, with spear and a sword at the side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. Cavalry means, see, Cavalry means soldiers who fought on the horseback. Soldiers who fought on horseback. Soldiers who fought on horseback. Soldiers who fought on horseback, those are called cavalry. Okay, cavalry. Spear, sword, cavalry means these people used to go on horse and then they were fighting. Okay, spear, sword and cavalry, these three words you have to learn along with their spellings. Okay, see, all the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. All Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. Okay, if such a Sardar, now Maratha Sardars, these Maratha Sardars have their own armies. What they have? Their own armies. Okay, army means a group of people who are ready to fight. A group of people who are ready to fight, those are called armies. Maratha Sardars. These Maratha Sardars have such armies, their own private armies. Private means their own. Okay, their own armies they had. And if such Maratha Sardar went to Sultan, whom? Sultan. Which two sultans we have seen here? Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. If this Maratha Sardar, if he went suppose to Adil Shah or Nizam Shah, okay, these two were enemies, but if any Maratha Sardar went to them, any one of them, with his army or with his army power, then see, the Sultan gave him employment. These sultans, they were giving them employment. Whom? This Maratha Sardar who had his own army. He used to give him employment, otherwise made him a Sardar of his kingdom. Or what he was to do? He used to do him Sardar of his kingdom. Whatever his area is there, kingdom. Okay, he used to make him Sardar of his kingdom. Whom? Maratha Sardar. Or sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him. Conferred means grant. He used to grant Jagir to those Maratha Sardar who had their own armies. And the Sardar who received such a Jagir, these are Maratha Sardars, a Sardar who received Jagir. What he used to, who received such a Jagir, considered himself a Raja. What he considered himself as a Raja means as a king. What he used to consider himself, now I am king, all rules are made by me. Okay, so like this, what they were thinking, the sultans have granted them Jagir and they used to think that I am king of this kingdom. Okay, do you understand this much? See, Maratha Sardars, their armies, these two sultans were there, they were fighting with each other. They used these Maratha Sardars armies. And if any Maratha Sardar have his own army, private army or group of people who are ready for fight. So, if such a person went to these sultans, they used to grant them Jagir, or then these people were thinking that they are king of that kingdom. Understood? So like this, many Sardars are there. From those Sardars, some were famous. Which were those famous? That we are going to see. See what is there? There were many famous Maratha Sardars. There were many famous Maratha Sardars. at the courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. At the courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. We have seen Ahmednagar and Bijapur, these sultans' places. The more famous among them were the Jadavs of Sindhkhed. Jadavs of Sindhkhed. This we will write. See, first we'll see Jadavs of Sindhkhed. Sardars we are looking here. Jadavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, and Mores of Javli. Bhosles of Verur. The Sindhkhed Jadavs were descendants. What is mean by descendants? Descendants mean a person who belongs to the same family as somebody who lived a long time ago. See, a person who belongs to same family as somebody who lived a long time ago is called descendants. Okay? Means your father's grandfather was there and you are their descendants. Okay? Understood? Descendants of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Sindhkhed Jadavs were descendants of Yadav of Devgiri. Jizabai. Have you listened this name? Jizabai? Yes. Who was she? Very good. Shivaji Maharaj's mother. See, Jizabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhoji Rao, Jadhav of Sindhkhed. This Jizabai was daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav, who belongs to Sindhkhed. Do you understand? Okay. So see, here what we have to see? Two word meanings are there. I will give you. If you are not understood, you will see this video again and again 2 times. Then you will get it properly. See. Hard words I will give that side. Now here we will see Jadhavs. Jadhav, Sindhkhed. Jadhav, Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars, Fulton, then Ghorpades of Mudhol, and Mores of Javli, Bhosles of Verur. Bhosles of Verur. Okay, this much we have to keep in mind. This may ask for match the pairs in exam, so you have to learn it properly. Or question answers may also ask, answer in one sentence on this. So what do you have to learn? Jadavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores, Javli, Bhosles, Verur. Okay, this much you are going to learn. Do you understand? This much you are going to copy also in your notebook. Jadhav, Sindhkhed, Nimbalkar, Fulton, Ghorpades, Mudhol, Mores, Javlis, and Bhosles, Verur. Okay. So what is your today's homework? You will get on the screen. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with the same topic. Thank you very much.